his life. Oh, but I'm glad, so glad he did. He left his mighty throne in glory to bring to us redemption story. Then he died, but he rose again. Oh, but I'm glad, so glad he did. He left his might. Oh, but I'm glad he did. So glad he did. I'm glad he did. Where would I be if Jesus didn't love me? Jesus didn't love me. Where would I be? Where would I be if Jesus didn't care? Jesus didn't care. Where would I be? Where would I be if he hadn't sacrificed his life? Oh, but I'm glad, so glad he did. I don't know why Jesus loved me. Oh, I don't know why. I don't know why he cared.